Hello everyone, looking for beautifully designed high-performance tools for DIY projects or home upgrades? Let me introduce you to HOTO Tools, a brand that merges precision engineering with sleek and modern aesthetics. In this video, I'll show you how to get exclusive discounts on HOTO products online. HOTO has taken the hardware world by storm, offering smart, minimalist tools that are perfect for everyday users and hobbyists. Their products line includes cordless drills with intelligent digital displays, laser distance measures, electric screwdrivers with multiple bits, A pumps, flashlight, and DIY kits. All of their tools are economically designed, come with rechargeable batteries, and feel like something between Apple and Bosch. Stylish yet powerful. What makes them special is their focus on user experience, clean packaging, intuitive functionality, and long-lasting materials. Perfect for gifts ideas, first-time homeworks, tech lovers, or anyone ready to build or fix with confidence. To get a discount, simply click the referral link below to this video. It will take you to the official HOTO store or partner sites where first-time buyers often get 10-20% off plus free shipping offers depending on your region. So, whether you're upgrading your toolkit or gifting something useful and stylish, HOTO is a smart choice, and our link helps you save while doing it.